Malit yung ano niya, yung lugar, no? Yung liguan.
Maliit lang.
Di ba tubig dito?
Magkano yun sa Paraiso?
Ha?
Magkano yun sa Paraiso?
Sa entrance ka na madali doon. Wala kasi entrance eh. May tubig ho kayo?
Sir?
Doon naman sa unahan sa kanto.
May hirapan ka pumasok dito.
Ay, oo lang.
Sa ano na? Ha? Sa ano na? Sa pagpasok na?
Ba ito sa Paraiso? Magkano ba sa nangalan nyo doon?
Sa
Entrance doon?
160.
Ay, gusto? Ano yung carriage doon?
Ha?
Carriage?
2,000.
2,000. Ilan tao?
10.
Ako? Oo, ano yun?
Kaya naman lang. Lagi na doon.
Saan tayo? 6,000 na ano eh? 6,000 ang...
Yung sa unahan ng kaibigan,
Ano,
yung pantong, ano? Hindi ko yan, kaya lang.
Dapat ganun lang liguan mo.
Kala ito man, espasyo. Hindi ka naman kalamay ng malayo eh.
Tama.
Doon sa ano, pwede ka mga... Ano, sa Kaltaga, malayo. Pero, kasi naman ng ano, 15. 15 per ano. Datin siya ata. Kaso, sa tapat ng holiday, malaki yun. 8,000 yun.
Kala ko malawak yung ano nila. Sa amin din pala si Asinita. Sa pantukan. Gandang lola. Pantu. Yung isa nila.
Diretso tayo.
Ha?
Diretso ba tayo?
Saan?
Sana hindi. Andun yung pang... Ano nga mababalik tayo? Pagonsilyo, di ba yun nandun? Lagpas na tayo, Pagonsilyo.
Oh, lampas ngayon. Tapos mabalik. Wala may ibang dadaan eh.
Diyan na lang tayo, paano tayo? Fantasy World. No, diretso na tayo. Traffic kaya Tagaytay nga.
Hindi naman daan traffic ng Tagaytay.
Pwede doon na tayo. Parehas lang naman din. Minsan ka-traffic din dito sa ano, sa Laurel.
Mas malala pa nga dyan eh.
Ah,
Meron pa.
ha?
Meron pa dito.
Kasi parehas lang yung ano, tura ng dagat. Mag-reverse na ako, magpapagas na ulit oh. Lakas. Yayamanin yan. Yayamanin.
Natalo mo pa yung motor niya. Ay, gusto yata yung sa isip.
Oo.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I need
you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Kaya na kayo guys. Pakita siya. Ang lever eh. Yung